Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you some useful websites that will help you a lot during your online meetings. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. First up, we have Crisp. This is an AI-powered noise cancelling app that removes background noise and echoes during online meetings in real time. This is a useful tool to remove unwanted noises, and if your environment is noisy during online calls, then you can definitely try this out. Next is zoombackground.io. This website provides hundreds of awesome backgrounds for your Zoom meetings. If your background is not quite good or you are bored using the default backgrounds, then you can check this out. Next is airgram.io. This is also a useful tool that will help you during your online calls. With the help of this, you can transcribe your meetings with one click. You can also record videos with timestamps, and there are other features that you can check out. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more amazing videos like this. And I'll catch you in the next one.